So hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Also, I'd like to thank all the mothers out there on a belated Mother's Day for yesterday, which I didn't go live. So again, um, a shout out to all the moms out there who are doing a terrific job. And again, welcome back to the live stream. I'm going to be running some videos here. Also, as you come in, don't forget to click the like, very important. And also, if you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and I will try to answer it as best as I can. And also keep in mind that if you do want to ask the question, don't forget to support the channel also. So again, let's get started here. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. I just want to say thank you for everyone who keeps watching my videos and subscribing and liking it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So what I'm basically doing today is I'm going to be running this cable. This is the feeder cable. So as you can see, I have my wire called off, and I'm basically feeding through the bulkhead. Okay, I have to make it over to where I have my disconnect position. So this is where I have to end up with my cable. I'll be taking this path. Okay, thank you. Hi and welcome to my channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. This is basically my service cable that I'm going to be using to provide power into the house. This cable is 250 kc mil, rated for almost 400 amps. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Today I'm going to be installing a 400 amp disconnect. Okay. As you see, it's a pretty big disconnect, and I'm going to be installing that here. Hello to all my subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Here I'm going to be pre-drilling my holes for my 400 amp meter base. If you see here, I have my two slots for my screws here. Okay. So what I basically did is I'm going to pre-drill with my marks, and once I'm ready to install, I should be right on those holes. Okay. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. So today I'm just going to be saying that this tool here where my cable came off of, now that I'm finished with it, I'm actually not going to dispose of it, because there's actually a fee of money that I can get back for this actual stool here. Yeah, so believe it or not, it's worth quite a bit of money. So in order for me to get my deposit back, I have to return this tool. And that's it. So please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. As you can see today, I'm running my feeder cables from the meter base, which is not installed yet, which is going to be around here. And as you can see, my cables, they're both the same length, which is actually in the code book. Whenever you're running parallel runs, both cables have to be the exact same length in order for it to work efficiently. So please like, share and subscribe to my videos, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So as you can see, my cables are both inside. These two cables here are going to be my feeders from the outside meter base. These two cables are going to be feeding the panel. And you can see these two cables has almost the same length of cable. Also these two cables. And this pipe also will have to go on the outside eventually, with another conduit that I have to run for the generator power. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my videos, and also let me know what you think in the comment section. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. You can also leave a like, comment, and you can also share. Today I've put together a numerous amount of videos, so please stay tuned, enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video. So this tester is actually great for troubleshooting. Works perfect when you're in a jam and when you're trying to finish off a job without any problems. Notice how I use it. Notice how it works. Nice, easy, and simple. And this was the day I was about to change out the panel. As you can see, my panel is at the side of the house. Normally I reach out the job in time before the job starts, before the inspector even arrives. And this right here is basically my 400 amp disconnect that I laid on the floor before I installed it, with some prep work, plywood, sheet of plywood, to support the disconnect once I install it. And as you can see, this is the pool house, where you will see me finishing this eventually, after I'm done the main house. These are lights on the outside with some receptacles, normal stuff that you will put on the outside of the house. Same thing goes for the pool house. Just keep in mind to follow the code rules. And as you can see, there's a hot tub here, which I will have to be providing some stuff to it in the future, along with my pipes that's going to control everything on the outside. So it's a hot tub. You see my ground wire is coming up. Very important.
Let's set
when it
yourself.
comes to
I'll move my
the
TV
hot tubs
again
and the pools, to make sure that you have the grounding, proper size
for
grounding,
the
in order
continuing
to
support towards the
do
channel.
the job. So this is the pool, which is not ready as yet, and you will see me doing my work eventually once this is ready to be completed. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in. Don't forget to like up the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. And I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into the live stream today. Again, don't forget, as you come in, to like up the live. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And I'm going to be running some videos also. And I might try to ask a question of why do people drive the way they drive on the roads. It's very annoying. You know, have people doing what they think is right, but for some reason it's never right. And you know why these people don't get catch, and it's simply the ones who are going about their daily day, you know, trying to get to work or some sort. And so again, maybe that's another topic I might jump into today. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm going to run a couple of videos here. I'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll talk about it. Excuse my manners, Lady Gaza. Yourself, Lady Gaza. Thank you for the continuing support towards the channel.
Okay, so this is it. 3 different pipes, 2 1/4 inch, one for 100 amps, main panel, one for a generator, and the smaller pipe is controls for generator. This is the other room. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. In today's video we're going to dive into the world of pools and what it takes to protect. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. Having an inspection. So again, what we have here is I'm simply roughening a room, and I'm going to be roughening this room to the code book, which means I'm going to have a plug or two plugs on every wall, depending on how long the room, how big the room is, the length of the wall from one side to the other. Um, Also, normally what I do is I mostly go from plug to plug, do my measurements. I start off my rooms by the door, uh, laying out my rooms, and I go around the room, simply do my layout. First thing I do once I get into the room is basically I'll take a look at the room, see how big the room is, um, check the drawings. Obviously, I already know all doors is going to swing on the dead wall, meaning that there has to be a wall behind it. So that's where I'm going to start off my layout, and I'll go around the room. I'll lay my room out.
So again, this is just temporary lighting that I'm doing. Um, Nothing too crazy.
Oh,
Uh,
for a second there,
yes,
go on
100
to light
cent
here.
a week.
Uh,
Esri.
okay, Mike. Um, so again, you left a comment in the comment section. Um, I didn't really understand what you were trying to answer. So now you can answer the. You can simply ask me what you need to ask. Keep in mind, don't forget to drop a donation towards the channel. Um, so I'm going to continue playing my videos, and like I said, you can shoot a comment in the comment section, and I'll try to pause the video. Okay, so I paid framers to frame, and they had to do the wall 1 foot higher than the Armstrong ceiling, drop ceiling, and there was a blue tick alarm and cable wire for the video feed, and they got the wires pinched, leaving in and out of the studs instead of coming down from the top plate, and they ended up cutting my alarm wire, saying that was the only way. So Mike, you can simply, if the studs are open still, you can simply rerun that wire, or you can make connections on the wire. You're allowed to make connections. It's low voltage. You just have to make it with the proper connections. Okay, let me reread this here again. Mike, give me a second here. So again, you paid framers to frame, and they had to do the wall 1 foot higher than the Armstrong ceiling or drop ceiling, and there was a blue tick alarm wire and cable wire for the video feed, and they got the wires pinched, leaving in and out of the studs instead of coming down from the top plate, and they ended up cutting my alarm wire, saying that was the only way. Did they have to cut the alarm wire, or do you think it was because the wire was trapped and could not rise up between the top plate? Alarm went off in the cops game, and the alarm hasn't worked since. Saying zone 3 open, which is the front door adapter. So you can Mike, you can make connections. You just have to make sure that you have the it should be color coded. again, if they did disconnect it, so it should be straight connections, Mike. You just have to reconnect those wires together. Yeah, Mike. It was definitely his fault. I don't see why you should have to pay any extra unless he could have even maybe repulled that wire of some sort. But if he did cut the wire, then it is definitely his fault. Some guys will tell you ahead of time that they're going to charge you for it also. So I don't know if he had mentioned he was going to charge you. So it might be his mistake also. But if he didn't mention it to you, then I don't see why you should have to pay for his mistake, right? It's just a simple connecting the wires back. Yeah, that's fine, Mike. Like I said, it's just a simple connecting the wires back, so you can explain to him. All he has to do is you know jump or a wire in between and make connections, or you can pull that wire all the way back to the security box. Uh, yeah, sure, Mike. That's fine. Again, as I said, don't forget to make sure that the connection. Or, um, I can't remember the name off the back of my head here. But if you go into my videos, you would have seen me using them on the security cameras. One of the videos that I have posted. Um, Simply have to crimp them together, make sure that they're done properly, and they're not loose, and you should be fine. Yeah, I mean, he's probably not. I don't want to blame anyone, Mike, but it's just simple connections, like I said, and it doesn't cost nothing to just reconnect the wires, and you're good to go. Uh, but I'm just making sure that the other guy told me it would cost more. I'm just trying to make sure he understands it was his fault. Okay, thank you. You and the Christian let you know about that. Thank you for that, Mike. Again, also, you can also, like I said, subscribe to the channel or become a member of the channel. also. Again, day. Um, okay, Mike. Okay. Yeah, I tried to use the word um, contingency in my contract and asked if it's included. I did it via text, but I forgot to add it in the contract. Oh, okay. What did you forget to add in the contract?
So hello,
So
welcome
again,
back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's lesson. I'm simply going to be installing my receptacles.
the live stream. Also, don't forget to like up the live as you guys come in. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything to run my videos here. So again, this was just my comments, the comment section, and again, like I said, you guys can drop the comments, the comment section. I will try to respond to it as best as I can. Also, you can also become a member of the channel. You can also subscribe to the channel also. And again, enjoy the videos that I'm going to continue running. So again, this is a live stream that I'm currently doing right. Okay, so the term contingency include I forgot to add in the contract. So I think Mike, there's text or email. We have some kind of group of it. Maybe the trail. Uh, it would have received it. I'm sorry. It's just a simple mistake, so I don't see why you shouldn't be able to use it. Again, you will have to try to reason with the contractor. Hopefully, you will try to again, when it comes to for to keep in mind that the client you have to try to make sure that they're okay because you don't just do a contract for one job. You try to do a contract to have multiple jobs. So maybe if he's another person, he will probably understand where you're coming from and that because his the one time business again. That's not how I think. I'm not sure if everyone else.
So again, welcome back to the channel. I'm simply doing this my receptacles right now.
So again,
So basically what I'm doing is I have a nick wire.
so
I'm
after
going to
tuning
be
in to today's live
repairing this
stream,
nick wire with
I'd like to thank
extension
Up Movement TV
to
for
protect
checking
the
in.
wires from hitting the box.
Uh, so again, this is a live stream, and again, as you guys come in, like I said, don't forget to like up the live. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and what this is here is simply me replying to the comment section with the with my subscriber who had a couple questions that he wanted to answer. And again, this is how I normally go about answering my comments, keeping in mind that. So again, this is a little bit of what I do when it comes to the code. And as well for tuning into the. So the code book is not, for. It's not rocket science. All it takes is practice. Practice makes everything go well when it comes to the code. So these are the rules that are laid out. These are the rules that I normally follow when it comes to doing my electrical. As you can see, there's arc fault protection, there's combination type arc fault circuit interrupter, there's outlet branch circuit type arc fault circuit interrupter. So these are basically the arc fault breakers with the tails that we use to protect the circuit. There's you have here receptacles installed for refrigerator in accordance with Rule 26/722, and it says D. So all you do is you go to the same D right here. You go to 26/722, and then you follow that information. It gives you a letter here D, also gives you an I. So you have to check out that to see what's going on there. Again, it also says at least one branch circuit shall be provided slowly for receptacles installed in the laundry room or in a space where the complete plumbing is installed to accommodate a washing machine. So at least one branch circuit, and that circuit shall be on its own. When it comes to washing machines, you're not supposed to jump off from receptacle to receptacle. So that receptacle,
I've also pinned the link.
in my videos, you'll see me running my lines, installing my receptacles, hooking it up at the panel, so it's always on its own. That's what that rule simply states. Then it says at least one branch circuit shall be provided at least one branch circuit shall be provided slowly for receptacles installed in the utility room. So when it comes to the utility rooms, it shall have its own branch circuit, whether it be for the water heater, whatever the case is. That's what that receptacle is for. A lot of times in the older homes, I will see it's hooked up to the lighting circuit. So I always try to, not always, I make sure that when I'm doing a roughing, you will see in my work that any receptacle that I rough in the utility room, it's going to be on its own. Then it goes on to say each receptacle installed in a cupboard, wall, cabinet, or enclosure for the use of a microwave oven in accordance with Rule 26/720 shall be supplied by a branch circuit that does not supply any other circuit. And this circuit shall be considered as forming part of the circuit required under. It gives you the rule. So what you'll do is you'll take that number, you'll go to that rule, and you'll double check it to make sure whatever information they're giving you. And it says a separate branch circuit shall be provided So then it says a separate branch circuit shall be provided to supply power to each central vacuum system. Normally, you have a central vac system, and that's going to have its own circuit. So again, these are rules, like I said, that are given, and these are rules that I normally follow. A panel board shall be installed in every dwelling unit except for dwelling unit in hotels and motels, ///. So these are the rules. Like I said, this is just a page of what I'm showing. There's many other rules that that I have here. Let me see if I can So then it goes on to say protection of receptacles by a ground fault interrupter of the Class A type. Tamper resistant receptacles. It has here receptacles exposed to the weather, receptacles for maintenance of equipment located on the rooftop, sump pump receptacles, so on. So again, so these are all rules that are laid out, and these are all rules that we follow in order to pass our inspection. So I'm going to just back out of there for a second, and I'm going to pull up something else here. Let's see right here what we're going to do. So again, hello, welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream as I continue to run my videos here. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. As you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. Also, you can share the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, and you can also become a member of the channel. With the link being pinned in the comment section. Again, what I'm simply doing is preparing to remove this panel for a panel swap out, 100 amp to 100 amp. The new panel is going to be an Eaton panel, and the reason why I'm changing this panel out is because it's defective in the area where I am, country where I am. It's a fire hazard, and also there's not enough space in the panel to do what I need to do with all of the new circuits that I've brought in. So again, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It's a panel swap out with the power being turned off from the hydro unit. So just stay tuned for the entire video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. So normally what I do when I'm doing a job like this is I normally get to the so again, as you guys come in, like I said though, don't forget to all of my wires, label them accordingly. That way when you can also become a member of the channel. I don't have to go troubleshooting throughout the house for the circuits to be labeled. And yes, of course, your cables and your circuits have to be labeled at the end of the job in order to have your inspection pass. That is the code rule, and please don't go around that, going around it. So again, just stay tuned for the entire video as I attempt to change out this panel without any issues occurring, any delays, also so that the hydro can come back and turn the power on within the limited time that I have during the day. If I don't have this panel removed and reinstalled by the time hydro is ready, the customer will have to wait until the next jurisdiction to have the power turned on, or there's an extra fee that will be charged for the late fees. So always try to keep that in mind.
So as you can see, I have limited space to work with. This panel is a lot smaller than the other panel. This was built in before I even did the panel swap out. So again, with very limited space to deal with, I have to make sure that I can get my new panel inside of the inside of this area. Obviously, I would have did the measurements according to the newer panel to the older panel, and it's going to be a pretty tight job. There's not much room for me to play with inside of this area right here. And also, as you can see, I'm simply going to be removing this panel and taking out all the wires from the side of the panel, making sure that my wires, my older wires that I took out, are already labeled for the reinstall in front of the cable. So this is normal procedure what I'm doing right now, which is to try to remove my wires as fast as I can. Again, I don't have much time to play with when it comes to swapping out the panel. Also, just keep in mind that with limited time, there's very few mistakes that can be made. Reason being, like I said, it's a power swap out, and if everything is not done accordingly, the power will not be turned on. I will have to fix my defect in order to have the panel turned on. So again, like I said, this is the older panel that I'm dealing with right now, and with the older connectors that was used, pretty much gives you a lot of problems when it comes to trying to change out your panel with these older connectors being screws and stuff like that on the other side of it. Very hard to play with. So for that reason, I have to take my time also to make sure that I do not make it's very important. I don't want to make my wires are nicked and it touches the metal. Once I reinstall my wires, then it can have a sharp in it of some sort. So always try to avoid all of these little stuff that comes with the trade. So again, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So hello, welcome back to my channel, and what we simply have right here right now is going to be the installation of my cables and so on. This is a 400 amp main disconnect fusible, parallel feeds being used. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. And again, reason why I'm installing this tape is because I have to identify my cable, which is the neutral that I'm trying to tape right now. 400 amp disconnect fusible is what's here right now. Reason being is because the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the meter base, and it is a code rule that states that if the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the outdoor meter base, you have to have a means of disconnect, and that's what's simply here. 400 amp fusible disconnect that's placed here, and reason being is, like I said, the panel is located on the other side of the home. Parallel runs is the set of cables that you will see coming in from the top, and that's going to be the line side. Bottom side is the load side. Always important to make sure that your grounding is tucked way on the back side, so there's no arcing when it comes to the main components also. And always make sure that your line and the load is not touching each other when it goes into the disconnect. So again, for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Hello and welcome back my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires, to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after. So again, for all those who has tuned into the video, please like and share the video, and also you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification is turned to all. That way when I release my videos you can receive all of them, and I will catch you guys on the next video.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. In today's video, I'm basically going to be tying in my neutral onto the neutral bars. As you can see, these neutrals that I have twisted, they're going to be basically circuits where I do not need an arc fault, and whatever I don't have twisted is going to go onto a special breaker. The reason for the neutral is basically going to power up. You have your power wire, which is this, and you have your neutral wire, which is this. So without this wire, your circuits will not work. So it's very important to have these wires tied into your breakers. Sorry, it's very important to have these wires tied into your neutral bar. That way that your circuit will work properly. Without this and just this, the circuit will never power up.
take this wire and go into the back of the panel. Best drill. Does the job. That's the control. That's how you install a 400 amp panel. So hello, welcome back to my channel, and so today's video I'm going to be installing the spots here, and it's basically for the generator feed. So because I cannot use this pipe on the outside, I'm simply going to put a junction box, transition this over um, into something else that I can use on the outside. This is pretty much not allowed on the outside. It's allowed when you're using when you're pouring concrete some sort. So uh, after double checking my code book, so I already knew that. So I'm not going to be using it on the outside. So I'm just going to be prepping my box. And because I don't have my hole saw, what I did was I simply, made a mark here and I'm going to try to cut around it to see if I can open up the hole a little bit more. So this is basically an old school way of using it. I'm just going to cut around. I already pre-made my mark, and I'm simply going to cut around to make sure that I can have enough opening so I can install this connector here. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into my videos and my live streams, and also staying up to date with my numerous videos that I put out. In today's video, what we simply have is a roughing, which I would have done. Roughing stage is very important for the roughing stage, as it defines how your electrical work will turn out, and also it's very important to secure your wires, whether by means of clips, tie wraps, whatever it may be, and also finishing it off with your boxes and stuff like that. So again, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. As you can see here, this is an elevator. So this home is equipped with an elevator from the bottom of the from the basement all the way up to the top.
So as my video winds down, I would like to thank all those who have subscribed to the channel, and all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, make sure it's on all so you can stay up to date to my content, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Okay, so basically what we have here is we're gonna have one electrical panel.
You're saying something, but I don't really know.
They neatly strapped down.
Did you succeed in getting that done?
You have my feeder wire here. This is the mechanical room. You're gonna have furnace switch, light for the inside, switch for the inside. Then you have the electrical panel. Obviously it's covered because the guys
That blue wire is actually
there's a second light here.
the power wire that we use here in Ontario,
20 amp receptacle.
Canada. So it's not a
Inside here we're going to have some connections.
standard blue cable wire that they normally use
This
for.
is basically going to be a niche.
Well, in your
We have a washer and dryer.
country it could be blue, but in my country it's a different color actually. The blue cable is normally used for data.
We'll have some switches. We have a fan. Some lights. Vapor barrier. Go into this room. And some plugs on the outside. TV and data.
And that wire so that wire can
We have
be
some hot lights. This is a closet.
if it's a high voltage wire in your
You see my wires are neatly strapped. My holes are in the center of the studs. All by code.
okay, if it's a slim blue cable like the one I'm showing, or it's a very thick yellow cable,
One fan. Shower pot lights.
cable. And look,
Another wire.
it might be a different color that
Mirror. Receptacle for the toilet. Heated floors. Switches. Wi-Fi.
like I said, if it's a cable that you think that is system different, then we work on the security system. So again, hello and welcome back for checking into the live stream. Also, I'd like to thank you guys all for the continuous support towards the channel. I wanted to jump into another topic. I don't know if I'm going to mix mic here. So again, I wanted to topic for the evening, and the topic is basically, do we actually really drive to make it home, or do we drive to stay on the roads? I know personally, me, I drive to make it home, so I'm not we drive way below the speed. It's actually a bigger chance that you're going to cause an accident.
So hello,
When you're
welcome back to the
going
channel. I'd
way
like to
below the
thank you
speed,
guys all
and
for
I
tuning
do see a
into
lot of that
today's
on the
live stream
roads, and it's
video.
kind of
Sorry, and again, don't
annoying.
forget to like up the video.
So
And
again,
in
like I
today's
said,
video,
I
what we
might
have
save
is
that for later in the
a
evening. I don't want
100
to
amp panel
mix up
that's being installed on
the
the
stuff right
second
here.
floor in
So
the
again, thank
home.
you guys all for
Also,
tuning
very
in to the
important to
live
make sure
stream.
that the proper sizing of cable is
Also,
used to power up the 100 amp panel. Also, very important to make sure that your breakers are positioned properly inside of the panel, preventing them from being loose. Also, it's So hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. And again, in today's video, what we have is just an installation of a box
and how I go about using my tools provided to me in order to make this happen. In some cases, we don't always have the proper material that we need, or whatever it may be, but we somehow have to make use of what we have, and that's what I'm simply doing in this video. I'm going to be installing this box, and I need to have my connectors installed inside of the box. Very important not to forget the installation of your connectors when it comes to electrical. And again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So hello, and in today's video what we simply have going on here is the installation of a box that's going to be going on to the wall. Again, very important not to forget to maintain the code rules that are laid out inside of the electrical code book. Very important when it comes for final inspection, not to miss a beat, not to have anything off balance that will interrupt your passing of the electrical inspection. So again, don't forget to like up the video, stay tuned to the end of the video, and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also become a member also in the link provided. So again, please sit back and enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So as we wind down to the video, I'm going to the next video. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So hello, welcome back to the channel. As we wind down to the entire video that was put together in pieces of videos provided from other sceneries. I do hope that you guys would have enjoyed the entire video. And again, don't forget to like up the video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe, or don't forget to either become a member of the channel. And as we wind down to the end of the video, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So again, please don't forget to like up the video as you come in also. And in today's video what we have is a 400 amp panel being installed, and the steps that I go about to make sure that the 400 amp panel is installed correctly by simply securing the bolts in all four corners, making sure that it's secure and firm, no movement on the wall. And then you have the 2x4, which is for simply for the moisture from getting into the back of the panel, to prevent the damage of the components, or to prevent malfunction of the panel. So again, just sit back and enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys in between the videos. So hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. And again, what we simply have here is a 400 amp installation of the main panel using 250 kc mil parallel feeds to power up this unit. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the videos. So hello and welcome back to the channel. And as we wind down to the video, this portion of a few more videos that I have lined up, please don't forget to like up the video. Also, you can leave a comment in the comment section. And again, this installation was about a 400 amp installation of the main service coming into the home. And the way I go about the using my code rules in order to do my installation up to code. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member of the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. So hello and welcome back to another exciting video that I have lined up. So again, this is a installation of the 400 amp service that's being installed using parallel feeds to power up this unit. 250 kc mil wire, two times in order to have my 400 amp service. So again, what you will see me doing in this video is simply trying to install my cable into the panel. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also leave a comment in the comment section, and you can also become a member of the channel also. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between video. So again, what you're going to simply see me doing here is bringing my ladder closer in order to work efficiently and to avoid any injuries. So I simply brought my ladder up a little bit closer. That way I can get right on top of the panel, so I'm not stretching more than 5 feet away. Very important to remember the safeties when you're going about your daily tasks. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video. And again, for all those who hasn't hit the like button, go ahead and like up the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So hello and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video what we have going on here is an installation of a 400 amp main service that's being installed using the 400 amp panel required by the code. So again, also using 250 kc mil wire twice parallel feeds in order to power up this service. Very important to make sure that you select the proper cable. You also have the proper panel with the proper labeling on the panel door. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and also don't forget to like up the video, and I will see you guys in between the video. So what we simply have here is a connector that I'm going to be using in order to install my cables properly and up to the code. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hey, Mafia Bob. Um, I am Gamer Hurt. How's it going? Thanks for tuning into the channel. Xkio Valdez. Again, thank you. I think you're new to the channel. And Ryan Lohman. Um, thank you guys for leaving a comment in the live stream. So again, I'm not really sure where you guys are from, but obviously not everyone would know about it, but with the correct running of the cable, I can basically turn off from here if I wanted to, turn on from here, and again turn off from that location if I wanted to use, if I wanted to control the lights from 3 locations, or 4 locations, or 5 locations. Again, it all depends on your power wire and your return wire. Power wire is the wire you feed the switch to power it up, and the return is the wire that basically goes up to the light. And so this area was a lot messier before, and so this area, those are my yeah, a movement TV. um, so this area here is this is going to have a panel here. This is going to be built in, and so you're not going to see this panel. And those wires are basically my security wires, and the wires on the top are basically for my data um, inside of each bedroom, and these are the wires here are the for the speakers on the main floor and the second floor, and the blue cable is for the cameras. Uh, so again, I'm not the one who did the camera system. I'm quite capable of, but uh, I'm pretty sure if the homeowner knew, he would have given me the that job also. But um, it would have been too much for me. So sometimes I try not to take on too much that I can't handle. Yeah, definitely. Anything is possible once you put your mind to it. This is a kids' playroom here, right? And again, the reason why I have the 2 lights is because I don't want to. There's one pot light here, and there's another pot light. The reason why you can see 2 pot lights alone uh, basically powers up this room, and it gives it enough light for people to work in. So I didn't really want to continue with the lighting because, as you see, once the guys start to spray, they're going to spray all over the lights, and I simply um, I can remove those lights, use them somewhere else as temporary lights. Obviously, I'm not going to use them at the end of the job.
Um, and yeah, so I'll show you guys who hasn't seen it before. Also, uh, so yeah, I'm not done here yet. Unfortunately, I'm going to be here for a while. Look like, and so this area here, I have to, as you can see, I started my pot lights here. Um, so once I get my free up time, I have to build this scaffold out here to finish off my lighting up here. As you can see, it's pretty high, but um, heights don't really scare me, so I have my fair share of heights, so I'm accustomed to heights. And this here is basically a kitchen. Two speakers on the outside.
Costumes starting at $10.98 each, and adult Halloween costumes starting at $19.98 each. Shop online or in store today. Walmart. Live better.
Best drill. Do the job. So hello, welcome back to my channel, and I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to the video today. Again, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, for those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And in today's video, what I'm simply doing is I'm taping my white cable. That's not electrify right now, and I'm simply using that with white tape, which is allowed by code. Also, you will see me have the cables wired up into the lugs, the main disconnect 400 amp disconnect service that I have here that I'm working with, and the cable that I used was 250 kc mil parallel runs. And again, you'll see all my ground bushes and everything is grounding the ground wire off, and it's going back to the main ground on the panel. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between the video. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video, and also as you come in, don't forget to hit the like button. You can also subscribe to the channel and share the video. So in today's video, what I'm doing is I'm grounding off my ground wire onto the ground bushing, ground clamp on the tech cable required by code. It has to be grounded off because of the cable that I use. And this cable is aluminum, it's not copper. Aluminum is silver, and you can see that it's a silver ground wire that I have there along with all the other grounds. So please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between. So hello again and welcome back to the end of the video, and I'd like to thank you guys all who has tuned in to today's video. Again, also as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video. Also, you can subscribe to the channel. And again, in this video, what I'm doing is simply prepping for my panel installation with the plywood, sheet of plywood, weather resistant. I'm going to be placing on the back of the in front of the wall that's behind, and this will help with of water and stuff seeping into the panel. So sit back and enjoy the last 2 minutes of the and I would thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Again, don't forget to like up the video, and I'll see you. So hello and welcome back to my channel, and for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. Also make sure that your notification is turned to all, that way you receive all of my notifications, including my videos and my live streams. And again, don't forget to like up the video, please and thank you.
So hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video what we're going to be going over is the steps that I take when it comes to installation and passing my inspection. Very important to remember the code rules that are laid out inside of the electrical code book. Obviously, the code book that I work off of is the Ontario code book, so everyone's going to be different. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also make sure your notification is turned to all. You can also like and share the video, and you can also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So again, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, you can subscribe to the channel to stay up to date to the content. And again, what we have here is a 400 amp panel installation. And here we have a 400 amp disconnect required by code because of the length of the run, being the panel located more than 5 feet away from the meter base that's located on the outside of this exact wall. And what I'm doing here right now is I'm simply grounding off my tech cable grounding onto the ground bushing required by code in order to pass inspection to have your power turned on. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys during the video. Hello and welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. And in today's video, we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video, what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic, required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires, to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after.
Okay, hello and good morning to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I'm basically going to be prepping for my service 400 amp panel. please, hello and welcome again. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is basically my 400 amp panel, which I removed all the components from inside so I can mount the panel. You can see this is the panel covers that I had to remove in order to mount the panel on the plywood. I'm still working on my my installation of my new panel. So what I'm going to be doing is clearing this whole area for my new panel. I have to clear everything to make sure I have enough room. The panel will be a lot bigger. So before I install my new panel, I want to make sure that everything is cleared. No obstacles is in my way. And this is the new panel. But I'm going to be taking this panel and flipping it the other way because the main comes in this way. So for that reason, I have to flip my panel the other direction instead of being the normal way. So now this is allowed because there's a code rule that states that your breaker has to be a certain height. So this is within my certain height, so I can take this panel and flip it the other way, and that's exactly what I'm going to do to make this work. Okay, just gonna knock out the couple. That way, once I install my panel, I don't need to play around with here because it's going to give me problems. So the key to installing a panel fast and efficiently is to prep everything. Make sure that you don't forget the simple stuff that you need to do before you install this panel. This will be one of them. So that's basically what I'm doing in this video. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Two wires into one grommet. So the trade name is grommet. It's basically a connector. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a full roughing of the first floor that I recently finished. So right here, as you can see, we're going to have a security wire. Also, if you see, we're going to have a keypad here. I have some switches on this wall. Also at the entrance, I'm going to have some receptacles. If you see, I have one here. I have another receptacle here. And there's another one here. And we go into this room. This room, you're going to see I have some pot lights, a speaker cable, one sender light. You can see my wires all neatly strapped down. In this room, I'm going to have one data for the TV, one receptacle for the TV, my switches to control this room, my receptacles for this room, alter code. I'll have a data on this wall. I have a data, one receptacle for the floor. This room here is going to be a washroom. You see I have my fan here, a couple pot lights, LED mirror, GFI receptacle for the sink. I have one receptacle for the toilet, and I have my switches. We leave this room here and we go over to this room. You're going to see I have some pot lights with sender light. This wire here is basically for the LED strip light. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this side for the pot light. It's also it's called a three-way switch. I have my receptacles. This here is going to be a receptacle for the gas fireplace. And then I'm going to have my security contacts for the windows, along with my wiring for the shade windows. We leave this area. We're going to go into this room, which is another washroom. Two pot lights, one fan, two pendants. I have my receptacle for my LED mirror, receptacle for the GFI. In here, there's no receptacle for the toilet because of the, obviously this is a new style toilet, so it doesn't call for a receptacle. Here I have my switches for this washroom, and if we go into this area, it's going to be one receptacle here, some pot lights, LED strip lights. If you see the way I tuck my wire out so it's not lost in the drywall, and my switches for this washroom, not washroom, for this room. We go over to this next room here. You'll see I have my pot lights, center light, I have speaker cables. I also have another cable for my LED strip. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this location also. Okay, here I'm going to have a GFI. There's going to be a sink here, wash basin. This is a nanny kitchen, butler kitchen. We go into this area. You're going to see I have my receptacle for my microwave. I have a couple receptacles for the counter, alter code.
There's going to be a mini fridge here. Sorry, freezer. This is going to be a dishwasher. And then going to this area, this is my kitchen. I have a 20 amp fridge receptacle. I have wall oven receptacle. On this wall I have my receptacles that's going to be underneath the cabinet. The counter. I have a hood fan, LED strip lights. I have my stove, one gas stove. By code I have to provide another stove receptacle. And then this area is going to be my counter. These two areas, you'll see I have my receptacles coming up. Dishwasher, counter receptacles. You also see I have some pot lights, speaker cable, one center light. I have more pot lights here, speaker cable, one center light. Going to this area, I have my pot lights with my center light. I have my security wire for the smoke. I have one motion wire for the security. Also I have some contacts for the windows and the shade blinds. In this area is going to be my switches to control the kitchen. I have one keypad here. And then we go into this area where you're going to see I have my switches. These are all going to be controlling the outside lights and some lights inside the entrance here. This room is the main family room. You see I have a receptacle on the top. This is for a sink and GFI. Then I have my plugs on this wall. This is going to be a fireplace, TV, data. In this area I also have speakers along with pot lights. This is going to be one center light with speakers, some pot lights in this area. Also I have my security door window contacts, shade windows. Another set of speakers. LED strip light wire hanging. And this will be my switches for that room, family room. This is the elevator. These wires are going to be basically for the under the stairs lighting. We go into this room. You see I have a smoke detector, 2 lights. This area is another washroom. Fans, 2 pot lights, 2 wall lights, GFI, LED mirror. My switches, my wire is all neatly strapped. In this area we're going to have a kitchen.
Another simple way of stripping my wire, and as you can see, I'm going to leave this on, so this has the marking to get the marking where this wire is going to land. That's basically it for today's video. So please like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video with this installation. Thank you. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video what you simply have is me installing my breakers into the panel, balancing up the panel correctly, and also installing my power wires. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can leave a like and share the video. You can also comment in the comment section, and also please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So this one actually has the tail. It's a 15 amp arc fall breaker, dual function. This is a 20 amp. I don't need this one yet. The hood fan will get an arc fault. So basically what I'm putting is a running board. Anytime you have the attic, you have to put a running board to protect your wires from being damaged. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's a high ceiling, so I have to install a running board across wherever my wire is running, so I can obviously protect the wires from being damaged if someone has to walk in the attic or anything like that. So basically this Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a full roughing of the first floor that I recently finished. So right here, as you can see, we're going to have a security wire. Also, if you see, we're going to have a keypad here. I have some switches on this wall. Also at the entrance, I'm going to have some receptacles. If you see, I have one here. I have another receptacle here. And there's another one here. And we go into this room. This room, you're going to see I have some pot lights, a speaker cable, one sender light. You can see my wire is all neatly strapped down. In this room, I'm going to have one data for the TV, one receptacle for the TV, my switches to control this room, my receptacles for this room, alter code. I'll have a data on this wall. I have a data, one receptacle for the floor. This room here is going to be a washroom. You see I have my fan here, couple pot lights, LED mirror, GFI receptacle for the sink. I have one receptacle for the toilet, and I have my switches. We leave this room here and we go over to this room. You're going to see I have some pot lights with sender light. This wire here is basically for the LED strip light. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this side for the pot light. It's also it's called a three-way switch. I have my receptacles. This here is going to be a receptacle for the gas fireplace. And then I'm going to have my security contacts for the windows, along with my wiring for the shade windows. We leave this area. We're going to go into this room, which is another washroom. Two pot lights, one fan, two pendants. I have my receptacle for my LED mirror, receptacle for the GFI. In here, there's no receptacle for the toilet because of the, obviously this is a new style toilet, so it doesn't call for a receptacle. Here I have my switches for this washroom, and if we go into this area, it's going to be one receptacle here, some pot lights, LED strip lights. If you see the way I tuck my wire out so it's not lost in the drywall, and my switches for this washroom, not washroom, for this room. We go over to this next room here. You'll see I have my pot lights, center light, I have speaker cables. I also have another cable for my LED strip. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this location also. Okay, here I'm going to have a GFI. There's going to be a sink here, wash basin. This is a nanny kitchen, butler kitchen. We go into this area. You're going to see I have my receptacle for my microwave. I have a couple receptacles for the counter, alter code. There's going to be a mini fridge here. Sorry, freezer. This is going to be a dishwasher. And then going to this area, this is my kitchen. I have a 20 amp fridge receptacle. I have wall oven receptacle. On this wall I have my receptacles that's going to be underneath the cabinet, the counter. I have a hood fan, LED strip lights. I have my stove, one gas stove. By code I have to provide another stove receptacle. And then this area is going to be my counter. These two areas, you'll see I have my receptacles coming up. Dishwasher, counter receptacles. You'll also see I have some pot lights, speaker cable, one center light. I have more pot lights here, speaker cable, one center light. Going to this area, I have my pot lights with my center light. I have my security wire for the smoke. I have one motion wire for the security. Also I have some contacts for the windows and the shade blinds. In this area is going to be my switches to control the kitchen. I have one keypad here. And then we go into this area where you're going to see I have my switches. These are all going to be controlling the outside lights and some lights inside the entrance here. This room is the main family room. You see I have a receptacle on the top. This is for a sink and GFI. Then I have my plugs on this wall. This is going to be a fireplace, TV, data. In this area I also have speakers along with pot lights. This is going to be one center light with speakers, some pot lights in this area. Also I have my security door window contacts, shade windows. Another set of speakers. LED strip light wire hanging. And this will be my switches for that room, family room. This is the elevator. These wires are going to be basically for the under the stairs lighting. We go into this room. You see I have a smoke detector, 2 lights. This area is another washroom, fans, 2 pot lights, 2 wall lights, GFI, LED mirror. My switches. My wire is all neatly strapped. In this area we're going to have a kitchen. Sorry. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is basically a video of the full drywall installation of all my rooms. As you can see, it's a little bit dark in here. This is basically the bedroom. You see here all my plugs, and then you can see my temporary cable that I ran for the heaters. Okay. This is where the temporary cable I ran. Previously I had it on top of the wall going across, but the drywallers were whining about you know, the little screws that I'm making into the drywall. So I have to run it across like this. But the reason why it's like this is because they have to build a cover protection to go across this area, which is required by code. And the cable that's being run on the floor has to be protected and sealed. And that is in the code book. And here is the second room here. As you can see, this is a full preview of the second floor. With all the work done, all the drywall installed. And then we go into here. This would be my closet. So the difference when the drywall is up makes the rooms a lot bigger. As you can see here. And then going to here, this will be the washroom. Obviously they buried one of my boxes where the duct is going to be. Again, this is the washroom here. simple way of stripping my wire. And as you can see, I'm going to remove this arm. So this has the marking to get to where this wire is going to land. That's basically it for today's video. So please like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video with this installation.